Have a look at this progress. The old structure is done. We even made a space for a window here, 2 doors. Today is going to be drywall, and we already took it. Now we have to take it from the truck. And to do so, I got an idea. We're obviously going to use the elevator. So fast. So here's the thought. We're gonna lower the elevator when it's in line with the truck, so it's gonna be easier to unload this stuff from here. It is now the next day, and look at that. It is finished. I mean, it's not finished at all, but at least this layer of drywall is done. We're now going to put drywalls here, and I want to show you how we use the maker knife to cut the drywall, because it's pretty cool. So we're using a plate. That is a plate. The guy told me in the comment. And can Gabriello show how we're using the maker knife to score it and cut it? See, it fits perfectly and it stays. Leave it, see? We're using the clip to guide the maker knife with the plate, and then, yeah, it goes. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I don't know if it's okay to do this kind of things, but we only scored one part, and then obviously you fold it and you cut the other part. But since this is going to be a corner, I thought I don't cut it and I just put it in the corner. So let's see if it actually works. It should. We obviously took the right measurements. So let's see if it fits. Okay, it doesn't fit for like half a centimeter. Like enough to be really annoying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. I thought I would do something clever, but let's do it the normal way. Okay, this is fitting a list, so cool. There's gonna be the door here, so if it's like half a centimeter less here, it's fine. Now, as you can see, we didn't do the backing yet because I didn't decide what I want to do here. I feel like I want to find like old metal sheets or something and make it look like a shed, but I don't know if I'm going to put plywood here. It feels like a waste, to be honest. Also decided not to do insulation here because, first of all, this is not going to be the actual office, but it's going to be like temporary. The offices are going to be in another space. This is going to be probably something else. The windows are not that insulated. Also, this is not like insulating that much. So we have the whole wall here that is not insulated. What's the point of spending another 600 euros for insulating that part? Am I right? Yeah. And here is David with his super new fancy desk. Like,
I'm not following the rules.
So you're happy about this desk that I got you? It's gonna be yours forever.
Oh, thank you. I also have this lovely heater, so I'm all kinds of good.
Well, that is actually fancy.
Yeah,
it's all nice and ergonomic.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm answering your tickets. So if you sent one, I'm getting two. Sorry about that, but life is good here.
In the last video, I tried to get out with a forklift from this door, transporting this 4-meter long plates. And I couldn't do it. Even myself watching the video, it looked like I should have done it in a different way, but I also got super good comments about how to do it. And there's one that I want to try, so I want to do it now. This guy said that I could come from the side and then basically turn when I was here. It's kind of tricky though, because I have stuff there, and also this one doesn't want to open more than that, but I want to see. Maybe if I come from that way, and then it's looking difficult again. Also, another thing, this guy said that, I don't know if it was a joke or it's actually things that people do. You can put like the power steering of a Prius in one of those. Like if I find a wreck one, or let me know if it's something that I can do or it's not really worth it. I'm just gonna use one for the experiment. It shouldn't be too much of a difference, I guess. So here's the thing. You know, in the last video, I wanted to take that out with a forklift, which is like 4 meters, and this is like about less than 4 meters. Yes. So I had comments of people saying that I should like going from the side, or well, we have to figure out a way if we can do it.
I think you should do as the comment says and see if it works.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm, he's clever. Okay, yeah, thank you. So I'm thinking to come from that side and then try to turn, like that was the comment. But also I have these things here that's gonna make it more difficult, and I have no power steering, so
that's a lot of excuses.
I know. Like when I saw the video, it looked like it could have been a lot easier than what it is now in real life again. Do you have an idea? Like, because I can't translate. Oh, also another guy said that I could like move it sideways, but this one doesn't move sideways. Okay, let's go.
I'm just curious, like, this weighs like a kilo.
No, but I mean, there were a lot. Oh, so you didn't see the video?
I did. Yeah, just making fun.
Okay. Well, it's okay. Now if I go back a little bit, because they actually were sideways. Oh, ooh, looks like it's kind of working. If it's okay to like do it like that. And I'm out! Is that a success, or it would have been a lot different if it was thicker? Because I mean, this is one, now it's one, but the other day was like this thick. Is it like a success or a fail? I think I want to see if I can get in. Oh, also one thing, because I know I'm going to get comments about that. When you operate the forklift, you want to be the lowest you can. But in this case, it's just, you know, to figure it out and see if it works. It's easier for me to see it this way, okay? I know I have to be lower. Also, there's Gabriello car now. What am I doing wrong? I'm just making sure, like, you know, in the other video, I couldn't move it. I mean, I couldn't get in. I'm trying to see if I can. I could kind of get out, but now it looks like it's a lot different to get. Oh wait, I need to go from this side probably. I can't do it without moving it, you think?
I don't think so. From what I saw, it's kind of like just tiny bit too.
Yeah, I know. Well, let's see. Okay, should I try from this side or the other side?
That side, because you don't have.
Okay, okay.
Like if you back it in, and then you
do it again. I like it. I think I did try. Well, let's do this first. I want to try to do it without moving it by hand though. Then now I should do what? Wait. So this stays straight, right?
Yeah, but you need a greater angle than what you have now. You're coming more from the car side, so the car is a bit in the way. That's the problem.
Okay, now basically I need to go like in with a steeper angle, and then when I get to a certain point that Daniel calls the pivot point, then I'm gonna turn it all the way on the left, and it's gonna work perfectly. Look at it.
You turn!
Marco, it's...
Does this thing even fit in between?
No.
Then of course it's never gonna work.
So Daniel had actually a very good point. He said, if it's longer than the opening, it's not.
It's too wide for the opening, it's never gonna fit.
Yeah.
Right?
But I had comments. Comments are always right. And they said
Yes.
that I could do it somehow.
Did Pythagoras comment?
No, but seriously, it feels like, even when I watched the video, it looked like I could do it. It really feels like you can, but it doesn't maneuver as much. Yeah. Should we try without the forklift and see how the forklift should do?
We're our own.
I mean, you're going sideways. That's something that the forklift is not doing.
So I'm saying pivot point here, but
How do I get there?
you're already inside.
Yeah. Because I mean, okay, I see what people say. It looks like I would have to do, okay, I can go straight and turn a little bit. But then when I'm here, if I turn before, I'm gonna touch either here or here. Sorry. Okay, then I'm turning like this.
But then how do you get from there?
Now I have to go like, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
done.
But okay, so let's say if we back up. You back up basically here, and then you start reversing.
I can't, 'cause look, you're touching here now, because you're a big ass forklift now.
But it turns from the back wheels.
Yes.
It should still be, I mean, still you have plenty of space over here.
Okay, we want to try reversing. I think I did it in the other video, but I don't remember it. Let's try it. So now the plan is to try to go from the back. So you want me to be super tight with the forklift? I will call it this is inside, isn't it? Okay, it worked and it's so convenient. I'm so happy I'm gonna use this all the time. But it worked. Also, you can do this. So what is, do you think this was actually a success or?
Oh yeah, it was inside. It was totally inside. It was like that much.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's scary.
Okay.
Thank you for the comment.
We totally could have closed the doors as well.